I'm Greg Paielli, President and Broker of Simply Property Management. Today I'd like to talk to you about the 3 reasons why never to have a tenant take care of your pool in your rental property. Number 1, no knowledge. Most tenants do not have knowledge on how to treat water, what chemicals to put in the water, and how to maintain a proper pH balance in the water. Number 2, they don't have the proper tools. They don't have the test kit. They don't have all the things that it takes to, maintain a pool and make sure that it's in good working order. And then number 3, you're unable to verify it. If you have a pool guy go in there like every week, that person is in contact with you. At least you can verify that the pool is being taken care of. If the pool is not being taken care of, it can cost you thousands of dollars to get the pool back in order again. If you have any questions about this type of thing, please feel free to give me a call. I'd love to talk to you about it. Thanks a lot.